The last thing we have to do is reset our farm stand. Now, this is not something you have to do more than once every 3 or 4 months or once with the change of the seasons. And what that's going to involve is actually cleaning out all the insides of our farm stands, removing our plants, harvesting them if we need to. We just want to get our hands dirty and give this farm stand a good cleaning. And what that's going to involve is actually taking out our plants, and we're going to take out all of them here in a minute, and we're going to remove them for the time being. I could eat this, I could harvest it, or I can put it back inside. Now that we've removed all the plants from our farm stand, it's time to actually clean out our farm stand. And don't be worried if it is dirty. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop this open here, put the top down, take out my diffuser, and then I can remove each individual level. And as you can see, it gets pretty dirty in the process, but that is perfectly okay. First, have to remove all of the water that's already there. To make that easy, you have a hose coupler, which was part of your original Let Us Grow package, which you can attach to a hose here. Once you attach this to the hose, you can then put this on top of the inner pipe. What this does is it allows you to pump out all of the water using your timer. Make sure you set your timer to on, and it will continuously pump out all of the water out of the base of the reservoir. Now it's time to clean off any debris from your farm stand. Use the brush provided to remove any roots, grow medium, and plant bits from the tank and levels. Next, use the microfiber towel provided for wiping away any additional debris. If you encounter hard to remove residues, proceed with the next steps for an even deeper clean. Ensure your pump is unplugged and then put the pump back into your tank. Fill the tank about 1/3 of the way with warm water and check that your water level is above the top of the pump. Add more water if necessary. Mix 3 tablespoons of the citric acid cleaning solution directly in your tank. Give everything a quick stir with the pipe and drop all of your grow cups into the tank. Next, we're going to reassemble the farm stand, including the pipe, levels, cups, diffuser, and lid. After it's reassembled, plug in the pump and run it for 2 to 3 hours for a thorough clean. Longer run times are better for long-term buildup and deeper cleaning. After you've completed the cleaning cycle to your satisfaction, unplug the pump and disassemble the farm stand. Now you can dump out the old water or pump it out with your hose. Take the grow cups out of the tank, then dump out the remaining water. Wipe the inside of the tank with the microfiber rag. For tough stains, use the cleaning brush to scrape off remaining debris. And for really stubborn spots, you can mix half a tablespoon of the citric acid cleaning solution with about 8 to 10 ounces of water in a spray bottle or cup. Then apply it onto the problem area. Let it sit for 5 minutes and scrub it again with the brush. Optionally, rinse everything one last time. Any residual citric acid solution will not negatively affect the health of your plants. And done. We just finished resetting our farm stand. We put in all new seedlings and we are ready to get it set up for success. Now remember, with any new farm stand, you want to fill it with fresh water and add 4 scoops of both nutrient A and B. Once you do that, your seedlings will be ready to thrive and you can reward yourself for a job well done. That was good.